I'm gonna say this again. God never fails. He might not be in your plans, but He's always got you on His mind. When you feel like you're in the wilderness, when you feel like you're surrounded by enemies, when you feel like you're all alone, I'm gonna remind you, God never fails. Trust me, you're not an afterthought to Him. You're not a side note in His grander scheme of things. You are His masterpiece. You are His child. He loves you. He's got a great plan for your life. So when things don't go according to plan and you feel like giving up, I'm gonna remind you, God never fails. You may have to wait, but you will see His faithfulness in your lifetime. So hold on to that. Hold on to that thought. Don't let go.